All of modern chronic disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, even anxiety, depression, these are inflammatory diseases, and that inflammation starts in your intestinal tract.
Your body's purpose is very simple: to absorb the nutrients you consume and give your body the fuel it needs. And when you have an optimal digestive system and you have gut greatness,
you would have to take probably 7 to 10 different supplements to get all of the facets that we hit with the Zive 7, right? So it's going to help coordinate the stomach and the pancreas, but then it's also going to calm down inflammation, but then it's also going to protect the intestinal lining. It's going to promote your microbiome. So the digestive process is being 7 different steps, and the Zive 7 hits all of those.
We've been 2 years of building something really, really special on multiple fronts. And that's what Zive 7 is. It's your entry point. It's a 1% shift. And we have an incredible protocol. We say it's easy as 1, 2, 3. You take 2 Zive in the morning with 8 ounces of water, and then you add 1 or 2 additional throughout the days with meals. There's a gut revolution and a blood sugar revolution.